How to use Brevo for email marketing. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Brevo for email marketing. So let's get started. First of all, go to any of the search engine you have on your device and search for Brevo. Press enter and this is the website that you need. If you're having other sponsored websites at the top, just skip that and you need to search for this one, that is www.brevo.com. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll be asked to create an account. So simply click on sign up free. And then you can either log in with your Google account with your Apple ID or manually enter your email password. So once you create an account on Brevo, you will be redirected to an interface like this. Now, if you wish to upgrade plan, you can simply click on upgrade now. And there are various plans, but right now, if you're using it for the first time and you're simply testing it, so buying these one at the start is not really worth it. So you can simply click on free and start using it for free. If you really feel like it's really good for you, then you can switch towards starter, business, or enterprise plans. So let's go back and talk about how you can create email. So first of all, you get to create contacts because you need to create or filter some people to who you wish to send the email markets. So just click on contacts. And once you do so, here you can see that there is only me over here, that is single contact. Now, if you wish to create a contact, you can either import contacts from any other third-party tool, or you can also import contacts from any CSV file you have on your device. Or you can manually enter by clicking on create contact over here. Simply type down first name. For example, I'm going to write down John. Last name, I'm going to write down Clean. And after that, you could type down their email address and then their phone number. You can select country code, write down their phone number, and you can write down any EXT ID, their contact time zone list, and all other things. Then simply click on create. So you need to fill all of these first before to do that. So once you have entered the contact, you'll be able to see that the contact has been created, and once done, you'll be able to view them over here, and here you'll be able to see whether they have subscribed from their email and SMS. So after that, what you could do is simply click on campaigns. Now, if you wish to create a landing page, so you can click on landing page, but you can see this is a pro feature and you can't really use it in a free plan. So simply click on campaigns over here in order to, create an email. Now, this tutorial is about email marketing, so I'm going to click on email. And then you're gonna, create the type of email. Now, there are two types of email. One is regular, that is keep subscribers engaged by sharing your latest news, promoting your best-selling products, or announcing an upcoming event. And then we have A/B test campaign. Choose an element to A/B test. Recipients in your test group will receive either version A or B. The best engagements will be sent to your remaining recipients. So, but this is a pro feature. You need to upgrade your account before that. So let us just, do it for regular emails. For example, I'm going to write down clothing brand, and after that, you're going to click on create campaign. So once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface like this. Now here, you can select sender, but since the sender most of the times is the one that is using the account. Now you can see that I'm using my account, so that's why it's my email listed over here. And then we have recipients, the people who receive your campaign. So you can simply click on add recipient. And you can select, if you have many people in your contacts, you'll be able to view them over here. So you can simply select your recipients. And once done, you can simply select subject. So you can add a subject line for this campaign. Simply click on add subject and write down the subject line. For example, I'm going to write down my clothing brand. So it's just for demonstration purpose. So here you can see that the person who receives this email would be able to see something like this in front of you. So you can write down your brand name over here as well, or your brand collection that you are selling right now. And after that, we have design. Now, this is basically a very important thing that you need to design how your email need to look like. So click on start designing, and here you can choose a template. So you can use any default template, sell product, tell story, or any of use. So you can simply click on preview in order to preview the template, or simply click on use template. So after clicking use template, you need to, check all of these elements. Now this is basically a very basic design. So you need to add colors into it. Now, if you wish to add any element, you can use title. So simply drag and drop that over here and type down any title. For example, I'm going to type, you can just, erase this one and type down clothing brand, or, anything you want. And this is basically just a mere demonstration. And then you can type down any paragraph that best describes your business. And you can also modify the existing blocks over here. And then you can, upload any image. So just click on this, click on replace, or you can also drag and drop image from your desktop. And then we have video if you wish to play any video. Now, there are 3 types of videos that you can do. You can either, upload from your device. You can either, place any URL over here. So you can just simply type down the video URL, or you can also, pick any video from any existing website. For example, YouTube. If you have a video on YouTube, you can simply link that video over here and people would be able to preview that. And then we have button over here. So this is basically a call to action button. You can simply click on it and you can, edit what this text says over here. So you can change that. And then we have logo that you can just upload your brand logos over here. And then we have social medias. You can, link all of your social media accounts here. Now, Facebook, XApp, YouTube, and LinkedIn is not only it. You can add various others. You can just click on add more over here, and you can add various other logos, and you can link your account to various other social media websites, whichever you want. So simply click on, for example, I'm going to add Instagram over here. So you're going to click on Instagram, click on add to list, and here we go. You can see that Instagram has been added over here. And then after that, we have HTML. Now, if you're marketing a specific code, so you can just type down any HTML logo or HTML code over here. And after that, we have payment links. So you can, this feature is being worked on. This feature will be available soon. So if you're interested in, could you please tell us what you expect to see here and what your case would be by filling in this 2-question form. So thanks a lot. So you can just fill this survey if you really wish to, and if you're really eager to use this feature. And after that, we have a divider. Now, you can see that there are specific blocks over here. You can see that this is one block over here, and this is another block. This is another block. So you can simply, paste a divider over here in order to make your, email very clean and to distinguish between numerous blocks and numerous sections. And then we have navigation. Now you can see that you can add a nav bar at the top. For example, I've typed it over here, and you can, use various links and, add some basic URLs at the back of these links. And you can also, edit the text over here. And then we have spacer. Now, if you wish to, create some space over here, so it just depends on you. And these are basically blocks, and then we have sections. So you can, divide your sections over here, and then you can check all of your saved over here. And once done, you can simply click on save and quit. Now, if you don't really wish to send this right now, you can simply click on preview and test and send it to any of your existing emails that you have an access to. So you can simply click on preview and test and type down any email, your alternate email. You can test this email by sending it over there. I simply click on save and quit, and after that you can simply add some additional settings by clicking on edit settings. Once done, and you can see that it is well, you can either preview and text, and you can also schedule it. So simply click on schedule, and before that you need to complete all required steps, and after that you can set any time and date in order to schedule that, and when the time and date arrives, your email will be automatically sent. So that is basically how you can use Brevo for email marketing. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.